All right? About 30 years ago, when I was, I don't know, 8, 9 years old, me and my brother went to stay at my nan and granddad's house in Weymouth, and knowing my love for birds, they brought us here, bought us a little pack of opal fruits, and signed us up to the Young Ornithologist Club. This is RSPB Radipole Lake. Magpies flying over. To date, and I mean to date, not today, there have been about 224, I say about, I read it, 224 species of birds recorded here at RSPB Radipole Lake. Now, I don't think I'm going to see that many today, and don't expect to ever see that many. Of course, that's going to include all sorts of migratory birds from like day dot, you know, since records began. But one of the species of birds that people come to see here, and I really should talk quietly, is bearded tits. And this is a good place to see bearded tits. And do you know how I know that? Because loads of people have told me. Do you know how many times I've seen bearded tits here? That many. I've never seen a bearded tit here. Never seen. Oh, I can hear Chetty's warbler though. Seen loads of them, but never seen the bearded tit. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Every time I come here, it's always on the board. Oh yeah, seen bearded tits down by the stone bridge. I think it's called that because it's made of stone and it's a bridge. Marsh Harrier. Going up. Going up. It was so cool to see the Marsh Harrier come in so close. What a bird. Perfect environment, perfect habitat, snipe flying around. It would love to tuck into a tasty snipe, I tell you that now. And what a success story Marsh Harriers have been here in the UK. Absolutely, absolutely brilliant. It's so fun to see what you might get over these reed beds with the town and the houses in the background. Snipe! A whole bunch of snipe. Look! How brilliant is that? Got to keep my voice down. Lost him. Got him. No, they're still there. What bird sniper? Is it snipe or snipes? What birds snipe are? What birds snipes are? I'm going to go with what birds snipe are. Sounds good, doesn't it? Wonder what that call was then. And I realised it's a car alarm. What a place this is. And it brings back memories every single time. I know it's a bit dreary today. It's a bit miserable. It's raining. Well, it's not raining. It's just that precipitation. Both of them could be both. And the day I joined the YFC, I'll never forget it. A, it was really hot. Sun was shining, blue skies. B, got bit by a swan, didn't I? I feel like everyone's got a story where they've been bitten by a swan. I really have been bitten on my thumb by a swan. Some crows up here. Add that to the list. 224 species of birds there. That's a lot of birds in a short space. Well, it's not really a short space of time, I suppose, since records began. I have to find out when the records began. I just heard a bird. I just heard what I swear sounded like a bullfinch. Heard it again. It's over here. It's an unmistakable sound. The call of the bullfinch. It's sort of mournful, like, but like sort of a rounder pitch. What's that there? Blue tit. That's a bullfinch. It's really hard to see because. Let me get my camera up. Oh. Anyone who's listened to my podcast will know how much that just meant to me. That was, oh man, I didn't come here expecting to see bullfinches today. They were one of the first birds I ever knew in the garden when I was growing up. Blue tits, bullfinches, song thrush. And I hadn't seen one for years and years and years. There's about 200,000 breeding pairs of bullfinches in the UK, but it was last year on the North York Moors that I saw one for the first time in what felt like an age. And that was a special moment, and it was sort of a long way away, and I got one fleeting picture of it. What?
Bullfinch!
No.
Yes!
That's a bullfinch.
Yes, it's a bullfinch.
It's a bullfinch. I told you I heard something, didn't I? No, I did.
Yes, you did.
I told you I thought I heard one. And then, a few months ago, I was in West Sussex and I heard the same thing. I heard that sound, the call of a bullfinch. And I was looking around and I saw a bullfinch like in a tree. And as I laid eyes on it, a white-tailed eagle flew over my head. So bullfinches are really special to me. What a beautiful bird. I can't believe I've just seen one. Well, two. Two bullfinches. Blue tit calling. There's a couple up in this tree. Can also hear Chetty's warblers. So loud here. Sometimes they'll literally come right down along the reed bed, but you're very lucky to get a glimpse of a Chetty's warbler. Two bullfinches, two Marsh Harriers, and everything else is a bonus. What a day. What a day of birding. Can you hear that robin? Oh. Tick, tick. Hello, robin. It's been a brilliant day. I cannot believe. It's been a brilliant day. I can't believe I saw a bullfinch. Can't believe I saw a bullfinch. Two bullfinches. Ha! That's the first video footage I've ever got of a bullfinch. One of my favourite birds. My dream garden bird. Oh man, what I'd give to see a bullfinch in the garden. Just like I did when I was 4 years old. Couldn't move for bullfinches. And despite the numbers I quoted earlier, 200,000 breeding pairs, they're so elusive. They're so rare to see. Certainly in this part of the country anyway. And so I feel like I've done well today. So I think I'm going to head back and probably get myself a little bit of cake. Bullfinch and 2 exclamation marks.